Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please do consider subscribing on your way out if you like what you see, and thank you so much to all my old and returning subscribers. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making this delicious vegetables and chicken curry sauce. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using for this curry sauce, but I'm going to be introducing them one after the other as we cook along. So please do make sure to watch the video to the end because I'm sure you're going to love it. Alright, so before we get started with the main cooking, I'm just going to quickly cut my chicken into pieces, that is into my desired sizes. You can feel free to cut according to how big or small you want your chicken or the meat to be. You can use turkey because I've used turkey to make this recipe and it came out so yummy, you guys. So delicious. So you can use either chicken or turkey. You can even use beef. Okay, just use any protein of your choice basically. Voila, and this is all the chicken cut, washed and ready to be used. So in a pot, in a large pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. This is a leftover oil. Actually, we used it to fry meat some time ago, so I'm using it because it's going to add more flavor to this curry sauce. To that, I'm adding in my onions. You can use the purple onions or the white one. And here I have some ginger and garlic, so I'm going to be throwing those inside the pot as well. Then give it a quick stir. Now I'm going to be adding some thyme. I'm just eyeballing this, guys. I'm not using any measurement or whatsoever, okay? I'm just doing the normal Nigerian style, the normal Nigerian way, you get? So after the thyme, I added my chicken, and now I'm going to be adding the arrosto. You guys, I don't know if I can make any dish that has chicken or turkey in it without that arrosto, but if you don't have it, you can use any seasoning powder of your choice. And now I'm adding some aromat. You guys know now I love my aromat. Okay, after that I added some salt, just a teaspoon of salt, because the arrosto and the aromat contains salt in them, so you don't want to add too much salt in your chicken. So after adding all of those, I stirred to make sure everything is well combined. Then I covered it and allowed it to cook for like 5 minutes. I came back again and stirred it up again, covered it back and allowed it to cook for another 5 minutes, which is in total 10 minutes. Okay, this is 5 minutes later and I'm back. So I'm just giving it a stir. As you guys can see, I didn't add water to this, but you can see we now have lots of water inside our pot. So to that, I'm adding in my carrots, and now I'm adding my bell peppers, the green, the yellow and the red one. You can use whichever color you choose, and I'm just giving it a quick stir. And I'm going to be adding some water as well. Just add the water according to how big or how small you want the sauce to be. Now I'm adding in my shredded cabbage. I already prepped all of this a night before just to make the work a lot more easier for me. I don't want to wake up and start cutting and washing and shredding. No, I did it a night before. So what you just saw me add now was my sweet corn. After the sweet corn, I added some curry powder. And now I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube, just half of it. It's not even up to half. You know, I tasted it and the seasoning was not okay. It wasn't as tasty as I would want it to be. So I went ahead to add the half of the Knorr cube. I added more water because I want it to be large. Okay, now I'm going to cover the pot. While that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead to mix my thickener, which is going to be cornstarch. You guys, this is the first time I'm using cornstarch in my curry sauce. I've been making my curry sauces with either oat flour or plain flour, but today I decided to go with the original thickener for this sauce. Guys, it was so good. Like, anyways, I just added the thickener. As you saw earlier, I used 2 tablespoons. Okay, if you want your sauce to be very thick, you can add more. If you want it to be a little bit watery or liquidy, you can add less. Okay, just do the arithmetics by yourself. So I tasted it and everything was perfect. I added my basil leaves, which is curry leaves as some people may call it. I added my scallions, which can also be called spring onions. Then stirred everything and I covered it and let it simmer for like 2 minutes, and that is it, guys. Like, it was so easy. Once you get your ingredients ready, everything is just as easy as like ABCD. Okay, you just have to be throwing in everything inside the pot, and that is basically it. You guys, look at this curry sauce. Just tell yourself the truth and tell me if this curry sauce is not calling your name. Ozitochi, come and carry me. Angela Ole, come and carry me. Afro Italian, come and carry me. Millicent Zanders, come and carry me. Tasty City, come and carry me. Ezine's Kitchen, come and carry me. Ujumasha, come and carry me. Okay guys, that will be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.